The JONR Robot Vacuum Cleaner P20 Pro International Edition is a state-of-the-art cleaning system designed to deliver an unparalleled, hands-free home maintenance experience. This premium robot vacuum goes beyond simple sweeping and mopping, featuring a fully automated base station that handles dust collection, water drainage, and even drying of its wipes, ensuring your floors are consistently spotless with minimal intervention. Key features: fully automated cleaning station. The P20 Pro's intelligent base station is a true game changer. It automatically empties the robot's dustbin into a large 3-liter dust bag, refills the robot's water tank, drains dirty water, and even dries the mopping wipes to prevent odors and mildew. This comprehensive automation provides days, even weeks of hands-off cleaning. Exceptional 8,000 PA suction power. Equipped with a robust motor, the P20 Pro delivers an impressive 8,000 PA of suction, effortlessly lifting stubborn dirt, fine dust, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. Long-lasting runtime. With a powerful battery, the robot boasts an extended runtime of 2.7 to 3.8 hours on a single charge, allowing it to cover large homes or multiple rooms thoroughly before needing to return to its base. Integrated vacuuming, mopping, and drying. This robot seamlessly combines powerful vacuuming with effective wet mopping. After cleaning, the base station automatically cleans and dries the mopping pads, ensuring they are hygienic and ready for the next session. Large capacity for less maintenance. The 3-liter dust bag in the base station significantly reduces how often you need to empty it, while the 4-liter water tank ensures ample clean water for extensive mopping cycles. Intelligent navigation and mapping. While specific navigation technology isn't detailed, the Automatic Cleaning and International Edition imply advanced mapping and navigation capabilities, allowing the robot to efficiently plan routes, avoid obstacles, and cover your home systematically. User-friendly design. Designed for convenience, the system simplifies your cleaning routine, making it ideal for busy households and those seeking a truly automated solution. Benefits. Truly hands-free cleaning. Automates almost every aspect of floor cleaning, from vacuuming to mopping to self-emptying and pad drying. Superior cleanliness. High suction power and effective mopping ensure floors are not just clean, but sparkling. Reduced maintenance. Large dust bag and water tank capacities mean less frequent emptying and refilling. Hygienic operation. Automatic wipe drying prevents bacterial growth and odors, ensuring a fresh home environment. Time saving. Frees up your valuable time by taking over the daily chore of floor cleaning. Specifications. Brand name, JONR. Origin, CN. Runtime, 2.7 to 3.8 hours. Net weight, 11.12 kilograms. Rated power, robot, 50 watts. Rated power, base station, 600 watts. Dust bag capacity, 3 liters. Dust box capacity, 270 milliliters. Water tank capacity, 4 liters. Suction, 8,000 PA. Overall, the JONR Robot Vacuum Cleaner P20 Pro International Edition stands out as a top-tier automated cleaning solution. Its comprehensive self-cleaning base station, powerful suction, and extended runtime make it an indispensable appliance for maintaining a consistently clean and fresh home with minimal effort. If you're looking for a truly hands-off cleaning experience, the P20 Pro is an excellent investment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Smart Home Hub for more smart home tech reviews.